Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer. This organizer set has so many neat features to it. It has a detachable phone bag, a shoulder strap, a mesh pocket for your phone, and up top, as you can see here, two insulated cup holders, great for both hot or cold, whether you have baby milk or water or coffee. The middle area is great for storage for diapers or leashes, and you can see this front zipper area works as both a handle for the entire compartment, but also works as a detachable wristlet to bring on the go with you. This little mesh area I love for a phone up top, great for cards or keys or perhaps paper or money. And then as far as connecting it to your stroller, there is Velcro placed throughout it, so easy to connect and should work with most. Also, these attachments come with it, great for clipping, say, keys or other things to it. Very easy to adapt to your needs. Check it out.